Stop! Do not buy the 2026 Toyota Rav4 until you watch this. Toyota got 5 things absolutely right on this SUV. But they also made 2 mistakes that could cost you thousands. Let's break it down. I am giving you the real verdict, what's great, what's not, and whether this thing still deserves to be America's best-selling SUV. Let's go. First, Toyota made the hybrid a no-brainer, over 40 miles per gallon combined, without plugging any time in. In 2026, that's not just a nice bonus. That's money back in your pocket every single week. And unlike some newer systems from competitors, this powertrain has a track record. It's proven. Number 2. Safety is a standard on every trim. Adaptive cruise control, lane tracing, pre-collision braking, you are not paying extra to keep your family alive. For the average American buyer, that peace of mind matters more than horsepower. Number 3. This thing holds value like a vault. Buy a RAV4 today, sell it in 5 years, and you are still getting top dollar. While most SUVs nosedive the second you leave the lot, the RAV4 is basically a savings account with cup holders. 4. Toyota didn't just build a grocery getter. The TRD off-road and woodland editions are legit. Multi-terrain select, decent clearance, actual capability. This isn't just plastic cladding pretending to be tough. You can actually take it off the pavement without calling a tow truck. 5. Practicality. Everything is where your hand naturally goes. The cargo hold is massive, rear legroom is solid, and the storage makes sense. Toyota didn't over-design it. They just built a tool that fits real American life. But it's not perfect. Here are the 2 things Toyota got wrong, and yeah, they are annoying. First, the tech. The screen is bigger now, sure, but the processing speed and graphics still feel last gen. When Hyundai and Kia are giving you lightning fast, beautiful interfaces at the same price, Toyota's system is just fine. And when you are spending 35 to 45 grand, fine is a compromise. Second, the base 4-cylinder. It's reliable, yes, but it's also noisy and gutless. When you need to merge into fast-moving interstate traffic, the hybrid powertrain masks it. But if you go gas only, you will feel every single one of those 203 horses struggling up a hill. So is the 2026 RAV4 still the smart buy? Absolutely. Is it the perfect buy? Only if you can live with tech that lacks and an engine that whizzes. If you want efficiency, reliability and value, this is your SUV. If you want cutting edge tech or thrilling performance, keep shopping. Drop a comment below. Are you team RAV4 or is there a better compact SUV I should review next? Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see you in the next one.